Our H-30 or Eurocopter A350 also has what they call a Baumann bag, which is used for extracting a patient on a backboard should they have severe injuries. They also have long line capability. The hoist can lift up to 450 pounds and has a cable that will reach 176 feet. You can see our flight officer standing under on the side. He becomes the eyes for the pilot inside because he's got limited visibility. So officer on the side, he's going to walk that thing, watch him walk that cable right down to the rescue. Put it right in his hand. Look at that helicopter, absolutely stabilized right there. It's just the wind, it's not moving. That's amazing, folks. Make the lift so easy. You know, with all the state budget problems and all the cutbacks going on, be glad that the CHP hasn't been one of them. How about it, ladies and gentlemen, California Highway Patrol. More than just a black and white car on the highway. Big waves they go by. California Highway Patrol, the Eurocopter A-Star 350.